So first thing I want you to do is on this, we call this like a little worksheet. You might want to rewrite it, but in C major, we're gonna do this eventually in different keys. This week I just want you to focus on C major. So you take all the numbers and figure out what they are in the key of C major. So 1 chord is C, 5 chord is G major, 1 chord is C, 4 chord is F major, etc. So you figure them all out, and when you sit down to actually play all the chords in your right hand and say what they are. 1 chord is C, 2 chord is D minor, 3 chord is E minor, 4 chord is F major, 5 G, 6 A minor, and 7 our oddball diminished. So you know them in both aspects. You know the number, and you know what it's actually called in terms of the letter. And then for each of these progressions, I want you to play them. So if we go to our Let It Be example that we just did, 1, 5, 6, 4. First of all, 1 is C major, 5 is G major, 6 is A minor, 4 is F major. So first you're going to play those. You're going to go 1 is C major, 5, 6, 4. You can also pick one way, but think about this as well. You can go down 5, 6, 4. Depending on how much brain power you want to exert. Start with 1, and then, but next time, maybe do it a different way the next time you sit down. Because again, we're learning a process. I don't care about Let It Be so much. Let It Be is a vehicle to learning this process. The left-hand bass, just to go over it thoroughly, think about 2 ways you can play it. You can put your thumb on C, and you can go 1, 5, 6, 4, or maybe you want to go up here. 1, 5, 6, 4. Right? Again, I would only suggest just pick something one day. This is how you pick on the other ones that we didn't do today. Just find a comfort. I'm looking for comfort here. Something that your hand fits really nicely around, which would be like this. 1, 5, 6, 4. So you do that with your left hand, figure it out with your right hand, then you put them together. Again, we're just playing bass in the left hand, single notes. Roots. So we go, here's your 1 chord, 5 chord, 6 chord, 4 chord. Play it like that, and just be relaxed. And again, the main thing is making sure all the notes are together. Your position is correct before pulling the trigger. Doesn't backfire on you. Go over here. Make sure all the notes are there. Make sure you got this. Pull the trigger. And take your time. This will become very quick eventually. Once you can do that, we're going to Paul McCartney it. We're going to go together, right. So you're holding the left hand down. Together, right, together, right, together, right, together, right. Okay? And then finally, we're going to canon in D it, which means we're going to go left. I'm holding the note down in my left hand. 1 note at a time in the right hand. I'm just playing the whole chord. 1 note at a time. Then I move to my 5 chord. Left. Move. 6 chord. And then move 4 chord. Okay, so there's those 3 different ways to play each of these, and again, they're 4 number chunks. It's very common. Pretty sure all of these are different except for in Let It Be, there's a repeat. But these are all very common chord progressions. Good luck.